The internet is a massive network of interconnected networks spanning the globe. Millions of routers, servers, fiber optic links, and data centers work together to move information around the world. Imagine opening your browser and typing www.google.com. In less than a second, your request travels from your laptop to your home router, your internet service provider, DNS servers, high-speed backbone networks, undersea fiber optic cables, and finally to one of Google's data centers. All of this happens before the web page even begins to load. In this lesson, we'll follow that exact journey and discover how the internet actually works. Your laptop or phone creates a request when you enter a website address. The request reaches your home router over Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The router forwards it to your internet service provider. Your ISP connects your home to the global internet using fiber, cable, DSL, or mobile technologies. Your computer understands IP addresses, not website names. DNS translates www.google.com into its corresponding IP address. Routers examine the destination IP address and forward packets toward their destination. Routing decisions depend on protocols, policies, and network conditions. Traffic enters high-capacity backbone networks that connect cities, countries, and continents. Most international internet traffic travels through submarine fiber optic cables, not satellites. Your request reaches a data center where servers process it and prepare the response. The response travels back through backbone networks, routers, your ISP, your home router, and finally your device. Modern internet performance depends on fiber optics, CDNs, powerful routers, efficient routing, and global data centers. Let's clear up a few common myths about the internet. First, the internet isn't the cloud. The cloud simply uses the internet to deliver services. Google doesn't own the internet. It's a massive network run by thousands of organizations worldwide. Most internet traffic doesn't travel by satellite. Instead, it moves through fiber optic cables, including those laid beneath our oceans. And finally, data packets don't always take the shortest path. Routers choose the best available route based on current network conditions. So, every click you make sets an extraordinary journey in motion. From your device, to your router, to your internet service provider, to the DNS system, across countless internet routers, onto the global backbone, through undersea fiber optic cables when needed, into a massive data center, and finally, all the way back to you. All of this happens in the blink of an eye, making the internet one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. In the next lesson, we'll explore IP addresses and how every device on the internet is uniquely identified. Thanks for being part of the Network Chronicles community. If you enjoyed this lesson or have any questions, drop a comment below. I genuinely enjoy hearing from you. And if there's a networking concept you'd like to see explained next, let me know. Your ideas often inspire future videos. Until then, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep building. I'll see you in the next lesson.